Hi gangs, update on my community big build, the army. This is my first of 5 C3 strike troops. I've gone for a colour scheme that's very kind of bold and brash and not at all tactical. Heavily influenced by sci-fi novels of the 1980s and 90s. Even the environment I've decided I'm going to game them in is based on a sentimental thing that I was kind of discussing in my previous video, a series of books I used to read in the 80s and the early 90s called the Amtrak Wars, post-nuclear Holocaust survivors, and it was almost like set in the plains of the Wild West, long orange grasses, and all the vegetation had gone red and orange and yellow, which is kind of sci-fi. So I've gone for that kind of look. I've been experimenting with some, the cracked earth, so it's like a grassy plains. So yeah, quite pleased with those, and continue from that for the March Our Glorious Leader. Part of that is going to be these guys. This is the command team that's available. Again, to carry on with the theme of trying to keep the cost down, I've bought these off eBay, about 30% off, 33% cheaper than recommended retail price, so still heading that way. Just toying with the idea of this guy, because I converted one of the plastic team, because they all kind of look like that, all the squad leaders tend to look like that with the arm out. So I tried to converted one slightly to have the arm outstretched like this one, so with an arm up, not realising that figure came like that as well. I should have done my research. So I'm thinking of making this one a little bit more different. Thinking of cutting the leg off, twisting it around and bending it, putting it on a rock or even an alien's head or something. You guys think? Anyway, that's that's progress. I mean, that's all fully painted, varnished, and based. I had a go at doing some static grass, using the flock box, which was quite cool. It was a bit fiddly. It's going to need some practice. I made a right mess. There's static grass all over the kitchen work surface, so yeah. Anyway, I'll keep you updated, and I hope everyone's having fun. Bye.